both my parents are in hiding, but before before he went into hiding, my father was in the Warsaw Ghetto, and I've even through the Jewish Historical Institute some years ago, I discovered some German photography of the ghetto, and I identified a picture of my father in the ghetto. It's kind of like, you know, Schindler's List, and there's my dad, you know. So the language, you know, I mean, since then I've researched a little about them during the war, not that much, especially my father. And my father was actually, both of them made it to Lublin. The war was still on, but it was, the Soviets had liberated Lublin in July of '44. And I've discovered that my father was, you know, small groups of Jews were starting to appear, survivors were starting to appear in Lublin at that time. And at one point, when there was about a critical mass of about 300 of them, they decided to form a committee. This was the first committee of you know, survivors, period. It was in August '44. And there was a president, a vice president, and as a recording secretary, my father was the recording secretary of this group.